Hey folks, Steve here. I own the GoPro Hero 8 Black. You may own the same camera, and you know when you open up the box and everything, you look in the instructions, they're virtually non-existent, or they're on these tiny little pieces of paper that you have to get a magnifying glass to look at. Well, a lot of people would like to have or look at an actual manual. So I have found the manual online. Here it is on the screen. Covers everything about the GoPro 8. You can print this out if you want to, or you can bookmark the link so you can go and look at it and discover all the wonderful things about this camera. And personally, the GoPro 8 is the best GoPro ever made. I love it. I'm going to put the link to this GoPro 8 manual in the description, and I hope this helps you out. I'm Steve. I'll see you again soon in my next video.